In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off vanish mode here on Instagram. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up Instagram and tapping the messages icon up in the top right and pick whatever conversation that vanish mode was actually turned on for. In this case, let's go ahead and pretend it was turned on for this conversation right here. There's actually two ways to turn this off. The first method is just by tapping the person's name up at the top of the chat and scroll down on this page until you see the option for disappearing messages. Go ahead and select it and turn it off. Just like that, you've now turned off vanish mode. Now method 2 is a little bit easier. You simply need to swipe up inside of the chat. If vanish mode is currently turned on, you could go ahead and just swipe out and boom, just like so, vanish mode is going to be turned off. That's it. Vanish mode or disappearing messages is now going to be disabled on your Instagram chat. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.